Hi, this is Vicki Romaine with Cheerful Greetings, and today we're going to work with some alcohol ink. This is the paper I'm using, Yuho. It's for alcohol inks, and it's made by Ranger. It comes 5 sheets in a package, and they're 8 by 10. I have cut me down a piece. First thing I'm going to do is spray my paper with alcohol. This is 91%. And then we're going to put a couple drops of alcohol ink. And I will probably not be talking as my hair dryer will be making noises. One thing about this, you never know what your design is going to be. Kind of impossible to do two exactly alike. Here is my finished piece. I never know when it's too much or if it's not enough, but I like the way this is right now. And if you ever do one that you don't like, you can always cut them up and make things out of it. For example, I have some butterflies here. Give me just a second, let me get them. These are some butterflies that I made out of one of the alcohol inks that I didn't like. So what I did was cut them up. And now, these are really special because they are colorful. And I can use them on my cards. I hope you enjoyed this technique and will try it. It's loads of fun. It's a little on the messy side. But if you enjoyed the tutorial, please come back and please subscribe. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye.